Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing for my family mushroom smothered chicken wings dinner. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. Say thank you to my subscribers right here, to those of you who are always coming back. You are my MVP. God bless you. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. Oh, my viewers, you're out there, you're watching. I don't know, but you haven't subscribed us yet. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. My YouTube family, friends, and viewers, guess what I'm doing today? I'm still doing it. I'm still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Don't forget to check out the description box now. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.